This court case between Natasha and Akpabio is getting out of hand. Honestly, if you watch this video, you will hear what Randy Peter said concerning Akpabio, because what he said in this video is like what is happening in this country. Maybe Akpabio owns this country. Watch this.
Since we have three arms of government in Nigeria, Tinubu, Wike, and Akpabio has become the oracle of Nigeria. Make we kukuma go sleep with them for national assembly. Hey, bro. We not get family and friends. But you see this injustice against Senator Natasha, it will not be sustained. Are you people ready to follow us and let Natasha resume? Say Natasha must resume. Natasha must resume. Akpabio, you know fit. A senator for where? For how many months? As we don't come, so everything what I need, nightgown, pajamas, even me can make it. As long as it takes, Natasha will resume to her office. Akpabio, Nigerians are ready. Since you not think say Nigerians will be foolish people, where Madam they? Make them finish so that we go. They go. Officer, well done. How work? How many of them for Nigeria? Holding Nigerians hostage. Kidnappers there, they carry people for casino. Government is not interested in fixing country. Nigerians are hungry. People are jobless. Women are dying from childbirth. Malaria, they kill children.
In fact, this case is getting out of hand. But if I may ask, is Akpabio doing all this because he thinks that he is more powerful than Natasha? Or what he says is what the court will do? This is unfair. Let this case be ruled out. If Akpabio is faulty, let him face the consequences. If Natasha is also faulty, let her face the consequences than all this to and fro movement of people in the National Assembly. Yes, according to what Peter Randy said in this video, if Akpabio thinks that he owns this country, let all of us leave this country for him. But if this country belongs to every one of us, let the right thing be done. That is my own opinion. You can drop your own thoughts in the comment section. Let's know what you think. For more updates and news like this, subscribe. See you in my next upload. And bye for now.